Hello, this is Amit from Digital Inspiration, and this is a demo of Gmail Extractor. It is an add-on for Google Spreadsheets that will help you extract all email addresses out of your Gmail mailbox. Over the years, you may have exchanged emails with hundreds and thousands of people, your work colleagues, your customers, or even your family members. Now, not all these people may be in your Google contacts, but you would surely have their emails in your Gmail mailbox. So what this add-on does is it goes to your Gmail mailbox, finds all those email addresses and puts them in a Google Sheet. And from the Google spreadsheet, you can save a CSV file and import that into your mailing list software or Outlook or Yahoo Address Book or even your Google Contacts. So now that you know what this add-on does, it's time to install it in a Google Sheet. So you go to labnol.org/extract and install the add-on. Now that our add-on is installed, you open a new Google spreadsheet, and under the add-ons menu you should see a new option, Email Extractor. So just click the Start menu and this should open the Email Extractor. You'll notice that your spreadsheet has two sheets now, all emails and unique emails. I'll come to that in a moment, but first let's continue with the Email Extractor. The Email Extractor lets you pull emails from messages that belong to any particular label in Gmail, or you can even specify search queries and only matching emails will be extracted. Now this is important because if you have a really large mailbox, extraction may take some time. So you can specify a search query and only emails that match that search query will be extracted. For this example, we'll just focus on extracting emails that belong to the business label, and we move on to the next section. Now this is important because here you need to specify the various fields in the email message from where you wish to extract the email addresses. In some email messages, you may have the name of the senders or the recipients in the message header as well, and if those are available, the extractor can save them to a Google spreadsheet as well. So once you have selected your choices, just click the Start Extractor button to start extracting email addresses. Now you need to keep the sheet open while the Gmail Extractor is running, but for some reason if it is interrupted or if you have to shut down your computer, you can always open your sheet later and start Extractor again, and it will resume from where it left off earlier. Okay, now that the extraction is complete, let's look at the actual list. So if you look carefully, you will notice that some emails have been repeated, and this happens because you may have exchanged multiple emails with the same person. Now that's where the unique emails list comes in handy. This is essentially all the emails that have been extracted but with the duplicates removed. So tomorrow if you're trying to save this data as a CSV file and import it into your mailing list software, just use the data that's in the unique list because it won't have any duplicates. So once the extraction is complete, you can start the extractor again and run another search query, and it will pull the new email addresses into the same Google Sheet. Now before I end, let me show you one more thing. If I go to my Gmail mailbox, you will see that there's a new label added that's called Extracted, and this is essentially keeping track of all the emails that have been extracted so far by the add-on. Once the extraction has been completed, you can safely remove this label from your Gmail mailbox. So I hope you find Gmail Extractor useful. Go to labnol.org/extract to download the add-on now, and check out my website controlq.org for more Google add-ons and scripts. Thank you.